Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall understand how to process the purchase order in one step. So let's start. So first, we will go to the menu and we will go to the purchase module. So as you can see here, for this demonstration, we have already created a purchase order where the status is in RFQ. So now, we will see how to process this purchase order in one step. So to process this purchase order, we will click on process order button, and here if you will see, you will find these options like post receipt and post vendor bill. So now let's understand these two options. Now in the case where you have selected this post receipt option, so this option will only create a shipment and will validate it based on this date that you have selected. The vendor bill, however, needs to be created and posted separately. Now, whereas in the case where you have selected this post vendor bill option, so this option will create and validate the shipment as well as will create the vendor bill and will post it automatically, all based on the date here you have entered. Now if you wish that you want to make the payment to the vendor from here only, so for that you can click on this pay option, and from here you can select the journal by how you are paying, by bank or cash. So let's select cash, and now we'll click OK. So now if we will click on OK, so along with the vendor bill, your payment will be also get posted. So let's click on OK. So here, as you can see, this purchase order status has changed to purchase order, and here one shipment and one vendor bill has been created. So if we'll click on the shipment, so here as you can see, the status of the shipment is in done and the posting date is the date that we had selected. And here if you will click on vendor bills, you will see the status of this vendor bill is in posted and this vendor bill is marked as paid. And if you will see, the accounting date also is the same date that we had entered. So now if you will scroll down, you will see that amount due is 0, and here you can also see the payment date. So this is how you can process the purchase order and make the payment in one step in AxantaERP.